The Khowai-Ramchandraghat unit of the YTF on Tuesday held a press meet to announce a major bike rally scheduled for Wednesday. The event is expected to be a significant show of strength for the Tipra Motha Party in the Khowai district. According to YTF members, the bike rally will commence from Khowai-Bajalbari and traverse through the various key areas of the constituency. The youth wings has confirmed that the event will see high-profile participations including executive members of the TTADC, members of the district council and MLS of Tipra Motha Party.
Bajalbari ground school kita, di ending point hai, behla wo sini, bagili thane painai. So jengjo to lugrona koyo, kena sini o bagilo fai, mata kena bagai, buah gari no, logari na bagai. Plus jini joto ni selai je nakumani Tipra Swami manda shuktai, over mutu ini, kena kaisa bagili koto kaisa nai.
Okay, o bike really work. Siguro bike rupang no.
Bike lo jeno pray 3,000 above rumai. Singkat atau target tak 3,000 above.
Osa ko kyo narwai ro kya manjak phina pro.
Ini sino tongai MDCs, tai MLS, AMs, Minister.
Okay, obo kana poita ro ko no.
Na egona.
Reported by Biplab from Khowai, Chini, Khorang.